Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to have my easy and delicious fruit salad. And if you haven't had my fruit salad, you better slap yourself and make sure your hands are super duper clean. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need apples, oranges, cherries, pineapples, and grapes. And when I get everything prepped and ready, I'll be right back. And now I'm about to show you how to cut up your apple and your orange. This is how I cut up my apple and orange. Just like this. For your fruit salad. Make sure the core is out. Then what you want to do, you want to cut it like this. Just like that. That. And this is the final product of my easy and delicious fruit salad. Look at it, it looks good, it smells good, and I bet it's gonna taste good. And if you want more Easy Cooking with JUAN, all you gotta do is like, share, and subscribe. Tell the whole world what I'm doing in this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call mine.